Welcome back to the channel, your primary destination for continuous additive manufacturing reviews, conveyor belt 3D printing breakdowns, print farm automation guides, and desktop technology showcases. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at a continuous production system engineered for infinite-length prints and automated batch manufacturing. The IdeaFormer-3D Conveyor Belt IR3 V2 3D printer with extended roller enclosure. For 3D printing farms, prop builders, and small batch manufacturers, standard 3D printers present two major bottlenecks: build volume restrictions that limit object length, and the manual labor required to clear print beds between jobs. The IdeaFormer-3D IR3 V2 addresses both limitations by combining a 45-degree angled CoreXY gantry with a rolling conveyor belt print surface. At the center of its kinematics is a 250 by 250 mm cross-section paired with an infinite Z-axis length. By tilting the printing gantry at a 45-degree angle relative to the rolling belt, each layer builds incrementally onto the previous slice. This allows you to print extraordinarily long objects, like swords, molding, and structural beams, in a single continuous print job without slicing them into smaller sections. For continuous batch production, the conveyor belt acts as an automated part ejection mechanism. As completed parts travel forward and roll over the front end of the belt bed, the natural curvature cleanly breaks first layer adhesion, dropping finished parts into a collection bin and allowing the next print to start immediately without operator intervention. To handle long extrusion runs reliably, the IR3 V2 features a dual-gear direct drive extruder paired with a high-temperature hot end reaching up to 300 degrees Celsius. This ensures steady filament traction across flexible TPU, standard PLA, PETG, and engineering materials. Supporting long prints requires frame stability. The included extended roller bracket prevents overhang sag as parts roll out of the build chamber, while the extended enclosure helps regulate ambient thermal conditions to minimize warping across sensitive materials like ABS. Featuring a 250 by 250 x infinite build envelope, 45-degree CoreXY gantry, automated belt ejection, high-temperature direct drive extrusion, and extended roller support, the IdeaFormer-3D IR3 V2 brings high-efficiency continuous production to desktop 3D printing setups. If you enjoy this IdeaFormer-3D IR3 V2 conveyor belt printer review and hardware breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. What infinite-length prop or batch production run would you start first on this belt printer?